It's a confused tree. Good morning! It's Christmas Day and I just woke up. It's been kind of rough sleeping here because this bed is so freaking soft. Like, I'm melting into it. I'm melting. But we were hoping for a Christmas miracle where we'd wake up and it would just be white as snow outside, and it's like 60 degrees. The joys of living in Southern California. It's hit or miss. You never know. Even if you're in the mountains, you never know if you're gonna get snowfall. I'm very grateful. I'm very thankful to be here. It is a legitimate log cabin-y vibes. So I'm just enjoying this. I'm going to be making a prime rib for Christmas dinner, and it's gonna be lovely. So Merry Christmas, everybody. I just want to say I love you all, my friends, my family, my loved ones, everybody who's supporting the community, the channel, my live streams. I'm very thankful for you, and this year has already flown by so quickly, and I'm just looking forward to seeing what 2024 has our way. I know that I'm sure there are going to be more hardships, but I also know that with hardships come really wonderful things as well. So stay tuned and let's see what happens. Merry Christmas, everyone. So quiet. Merry Christmas from Mommy and Daddy. Okay, open it. Oh, you're getting it good.
What do you got, buddy?
What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh. There it. No, not that. All done. You got it. Yay! Greg said that Garth left me a little present on the doorstep when he came home from a walk today. So let's see what it is. Where is it? Garth, stay. It's a stick. Stay, buddy. He's trying to get it. No, stay. I gotta. Look how cute. A golden retriever is the mayor of the city. What? And then they have deputy mayor? This is... I wish when we were downtown we saw Mayor Max, but that is so cute. You want to go inside now? wanted to get a video before I ate it all, but that's the prime rib with some mushrooms and pearl onions, garlic mashed potatoes. Look at that frickin' roast. I'll show a picture because that was phenomenal. Greg's already enjoying. Garth's sleeping at her feet. Merry Christmas. I think I accidentally made this too roaring. Oopsie. So, very cute kitchen with fully equipped oven, stove, microwave, and vintage looking refrigerator. Very, very cute. Pretty much had everything we needed, even like a roast thermometer. And then this is where we slept in the main room. And then the living room. It's a little bit of a mess right now because we're packing up to go back home, but washer, dryer. And then upstairs. Quick little tour. And then in through there is the bathroom. But, oh yeah, and then I had a record player, but the speaker was out, so we couldn't really enjoy it as much as we wanted. And then right out here was a covered patio with an overlook and the biggest cones I've ever seen. Are you excited? Yeah? Are you ready to go home? Okay, well, there he goes. We're home away from home for Christmas. Sad to leave. Bye-bye, little cabin. Merry Christmas. You ready to go home? You ready to go home? Let's go home. Let's go.